ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನೋಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ವಾ, ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 10 years ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ 15 times ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೇಮ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಸೇಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್. ದ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ PU ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದಟ್ ದೇ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಇವನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್. ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ 10th ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ವಿ, ಈ ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ. ಬಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ PUC ನಲ್ಲಿ ದ ಆಡೆಡ್ ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ ದೇ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಇವನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್. ಸೇಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. This question, whatever you are seeing on the screen, is being asked more than 10 times in the last 10 years. I mean, combining your main and supplementary exam. ಆಯ್ತಾ? So let's look into the question. ನಮ್ಮ ಕೈಲಿ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಆಗಲ್ವಾ ನೋಡೋಣ. First, matrices are given here. They're asking you to find AC. So we need to find out AC. So ನೀವೇನಾದರೂ ರಫ್ ಬುಕ್ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಬನ್ನಿ, so that even you will get to know how to do it. 0, 6, 7, minus 6, 0, 8, 7, minus 8, 0, multiplied with C matrix. So what is C matrix here? 2, minus 2, 3. So I always suggest you, first of all, you work out with the orders. Orders ಜೊತೆಗೆ work out so that you will have some confidence that what is the order of the new matrix after multiplying. Aದು order ಏನಿದೆ? 3 cross 3, correct ಅಲ್ವಾ? The order of A is 3 cross 3. When order of C is 3 cross 1, that is 3 cross 1, right? Now we can multiply because the number of columns in first matrix is equal to number of rows in the second matrix. If they cancel out, the order of the new matrix is 3 into 1. ಇದನ್ನ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲೂ ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಥವಾ committing errors is very very less, because you know the order of the new matrix. That means you should have 3 rows and 1 column. Now start multiplying. First row, first column. Anyways, there is only one column, correct alva? So board questions ಇದೇ ತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ತುಂಬಾ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. Now start multiplying. 0 into 2 is 0, because anything multiplied with 0 is 0. 6 2s are 12, that is minus 12. 7 3s are 21. So first row, first column, done. That's it, nothing can be done. Next one, second row, first column. So second row, first column, multiply. 6 2s are 12, but minus 12 because minus 6 is there. Then 0 into 2 is 0 again, so plus 0. 8 3s are 24. Then 7 2s are 14. Then minus into minus plus. 8 2s are 16 plus 0. Now take the total, that you will get AC. So what is AC now? 21 minus 12, 9. You calculators ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಡಿ. 24 minus 12, 12. 14 plus 16, 30. So this is your AC. So AC is found out. So ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ 1 mark allot ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. So you got 1 mark now. So next one, they're asking us to find out BC. So we'll go ahead and find out BC. So what is B matrix here? B matrix is 0 1 1, 0 1 1, 1 0 2, and 1 2 0. So multiply with C matrix. C matrix illé ide, that is 2 minus 2 3. Again work out for the order. First matrix the order ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 3 into 3. C matrix it is 3 into 1. Therefore the order of the new matrix will be 3 into 1. Right? Now start multiplying. First row, first column. So what is first row, first column? Yes, 0 into 2 is 0. Then 1 into 2 minus 2 plus 1 into 3, 3. Then 1 into 2, 2. 0 into minus 2 is 0. Then plus 2 3s are 6. 1 into 2, 2. Plus into minus minus 2 2s are 4. Plus 0 into 3, 0. So you will get it as 3 minus 2, 1, 8, 2 minus 4, minus 2. So this is your BC. So we found out AC, we found out BC. Now the next question is A plus B of C. Then so A plus B of C and A plus B of C means what? First A plus B ಮಾಡಿ, then multiply with C. What we are going to do? First write A matrix plus B matrix, then multiply these two with your C matrix. Now direct ಆಗಿ add ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು, but I'm taking one step extra. So B matrix 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 2, 1, 2, 0. What is our A matrix? 0, 6, 7, 0, 6, 7, minus 6, 0, 8, then 7 minus 8, 0. 7 minus 8, 0. First we need to find out A plus B. So we'll find out what is A plus B now. 0 plus 0. Position to position addition ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Position to position. 0 plus 0, 0. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. Minus 6 plus 1, minus 5. 0 plus 0, 0. 8 plus 2, 10. 7 plus 1, 8. Minus 8 plus 2, minus 6. Again 0 plus 0 is 0. Now we found out what is A plus B. Then multiply that with whom? C matrix. Now what is C matrix? 2, 2, minus 2, minus 2, 3. Now we'll work out with the orders. Order of this matrix is 3 cross 3. We are multiplying with 3 cross 1. So in Vratiga, when 3 cross 3 is multiplied with 3 cross 1, we will get 3 cross 1. Right? Now multiply first row, first column. 0 into 2, 0, minus 7 2s are 14, 8 3s are 24. Then minus 5 2s are 10, plus 0, because 0 into anything is 0, 10 3s are 30. Then 8 2s are 16, minus into minus plus, 6 2s are 12. Then 0 into 3, 0. You will get it as ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 24 minus 14 is 10. 30 minus 20, sorry, 30 minus 10 is 20. 16 plus 12 is 28. So this is your A plus B of C. Done. Question ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ? So we found out AC, we found out BC, then they are asking A plus B of C ಕೂಡ ಆಯ್ತು. Now they are asking prove that, fourth question, A plus B of C is equal to AC plus BC. So what we are supposed to prove now? A plus B of C should be equal to, see, multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದೇ ತಾನೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, AC plus BC. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಸಿಕ್ತಿದೋ ಇದೇನು ಸಿಕ್ತು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, ದೆನ್ ಇದೇನು ಸಿಕ್ತೋ ದೆನ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಪ್ರಿವಿಯಸ್ ಶೀಟಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡೋಣ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು. ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ 10 20 28 ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಯಾವುದು ಇದು? 10 20 28. Now what is AC? 9 12 30. 9 12 30. This is your AC. Then what is your BC? BC is 1 8 minus 2. So 1 8 minus 2. Now find out this. 9 plus 1, 10. 12 plus 8, 20. 30 minus 2 is 28. Therefore we can write LHS equal to RHS. That is nothing but A plus B of C is equal to AC plus BC. So this is of 5 marks worth highly important question from matrices. Matrices ಇಂದ 5 marks question ಒಂದು ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಫ್ರಮ್ ವೇರ್. ಈ ಆಲ್ಜಿಬ್ರಾ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಸಸ್ ಇದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ಇದರಿಂದ 5 marks ಒಂದು ಶೋರ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್. ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ಈ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಬಂದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ನೀವು ಸರ್ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಆಗೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಹಂಗೇನೆ ಇದೇ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಎಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರೋ. ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮೊನ್ನೆ ನಡೆದಿರೋ ಫೈನಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ತೆಗೆದು ನೋಡಿ, ದೇ ಮೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವೆನ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್. ಸೊ ದ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಸೇಸ್ A, B, C are given. We need to find out AC, BC, A plus B of C, and also we need to prove that A plus B of C is equal to AC plus BC. ಸೊ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಇದು 3x3 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಬಟ್ ನೋಡಿ ನಿಮಗೆ 3x3 ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಥರ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಯೋರ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ವೇರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಈಸಿಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನರ್. ಸೊ if you have any doubts you can ask. Not, we'll go ahead and solve one more problem. Before we could solve the next problem, let us understand something called as transpose of a matrix. Transpose of a matrix. ಇದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಎರಡು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಈ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇನೆ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಚೇಂಜಿಂಗ್ ರೋಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಕಾಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟು ರೋಸ್. ಸೊ interchanging rows into columns and columns into rows is called transpose of a matrix. The transpose of a matrix A is represented as A to the power of T or simply A dash. So transpose antandre enu antandre changing rows to columns, columns to rows. For example, let matrix A is equal to 1, 2, 3. We know this is a row matrix which is of order 1 into 3. Why? Because we have got only one row but 3 columns. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ you will write it as A transpose. We should change rows to columns. row column ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು row ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಇದು ಕಾಲಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ತರ 1, 2, 3. Done. Now what is the order? 3 into 1. Now look here. Row matrix to order 1 into 3 ಆಗೋಯ್ತು. When you take the transpose, the order is getting completely changed, reversed. Alva. So let us take one more example. Let matrix A is equal to 2, 3, 4, 0, 0, 1, minus 1, 2, 3. This is of order 3 cross 3. Now take the transpose of this matrix. So transpose is nothing but ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ changing rows into columns or columns into rows or whatever it might be. Now we'll take one by one. First ಇದು row 1 mark ಮಾಡಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. row 1, row 2, this is your row 3. Now change row into column. ಈ ರೋನ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಈಗ? 2, 3, 4. Getting? This was a row. This is row but I'm writing it as column. ಅದೇ ತರ 0, 0, 1, then minus 1, 2, 3. Now look at the beauty. We have completely changed the matrix. That is, we have rewritten the matrix by changing rows into columns, or you can change columns into rows, it doesn't matter. Done. So what is a transpose of a matrix? Andre, a transpose of a matrix is not transpose of a matrix can be obtained either by changing rows into columns or a columns into rows. So let us take one more example. So let matrix B is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ನಾವು? ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳೋಕ್ಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೂ ಮೈಂಡಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಅಥವಾ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೇ ಬಾಯ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅಗೇನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಐಮ್ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್ ಯು ದ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ 3 into 2. Why so? Because there are 3 rows and 2 columns. Now take the transpose of this matrix. See, either you can represent the transpose like this or simply by like this. You will get
2, 4, 6.
Yes, this comes to row.
3, 5, 7.
Right. Now what is the order of this matrix now? That is 2 into 3. You are getting? ಇದನ್ನೇ ನಿಮಗೆ CET ಅಥವಾ JNL ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. What happens when a row matrix is transposed ಅಥವಾ the transpose of a row matrix. The transpose of a row matrix is ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Column matrix. ಅದೇ ತರ the transpose of a column matrix is a row matrix. Now, one more question. If a matrix is of order m into n, then what is the order of its transpose? That is n into m. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ m ಇಂಟು n ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದರದ್ದು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? n ಇಂಟು m ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸಿ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆಸ್ m ಇಂಟು n, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಇದರದ್ದು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? n ಇಂಟು m, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ 3 ಇಂಟು 2 ಬಿಕೇಮ್ 2 ಇಂಟು 3. ಇಷ್ಟೇ. ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ತಲೆ ಕೆಡ್ಸ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ. ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಚೇಂಜಿಂಗ್ ರೋಸ್ ಟು ಕಾಲಮ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ columns to rows. So with this understanding, aita, we'll study next problem. So the next problem is purely based on what? A is a matrix of -4, 3, 2, -1, B 5, -2, -1, 3, C 1, 3, -1, -4. Find what you are supposed to find out. 2A dash minus 3B dash plus 4C dash. First ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ? First we'll prepare transposes. What is A transpose now? See, you can write it as A dash or A transpose, whichever the way is convenient to you. Now, what is A transpose? Nodi, this is a row, change this to column. -4, 3, 2, -1. This is A transpose. Now, similarly, what is B transpose now? So, B transpose is equal to 5, -2, -1, 3. I'm changing rows into columns. Similarly, what is C transpose? So C transpose is 1, 3, -1, -4. Done. Now we'll get into the problems. The first problem in ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ 2A transpose minus 3B transpose plus 4C transpose. Done. Can you do this? 2 na A transpose ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ವಿ ನೋ ಹೌ ಟು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ, ಮೀನ್ ಸ್ಕೇಲಾರ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೀರಿ 2 into A transpose. A transpose is already here. Multiply and keep. 2 into 4 minus 8, 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, minus 3B transpose. So 3 mean B transpose should be multiplied with 3. Done. So B transpose should be multiplied with 3. Multiply ಮಾಡಿ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 3 5s are 15, minus 3, minus 6, because 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Then plus 4 times C transpose. Okay, fine. So 4 times C transpose. So multiply C transpose with 4. That is 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4, that is minus 4, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16. Now add or subtract by using your calculators, you'll get your final answer. That is 2A transpose minus 3B transpose plus 4C transpose is equal to, use your calculators or use your brain and simplify this, minus 8, this is minus 15 ಆಯ್ತಾ, minus ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಮರಿಬೇಡಿ, minus 8 minus 15 plus 4, so we'll get minus 19. Next ಅದೇ ತರ 4 ಇದು minus into minus plus ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, minus into minus plus 4 plus 3 minus 4, we'll get 3. Next 6 ಇದು again minus into minus plus ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 6 plus 6 plus 12, we'll get 24. Then minus 2 ಇದು minus 9, so minus 2 minus 9 minus 11, minus 11 minus 16 minus 27. If I'm not wrong, just let me know. So this is the answer to the first question, a simple question based on transpose. The second question is A into B transpose whole transpose into C. So the question is, the second question, it says that the second question, A into B transpose into C ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಇದರ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. You need to find out A. What is A here? You can write A is as minus 4, 3, 2 minus 1. ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಇದನ್ನ ಯಾರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೀವು? B transpose ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So what is B transpose? So you should multiply with B transpose. So what is B transpose? 5 minus 1, 5 minus 1 minus 2, 3. Then take the transpose of this entire thing. So nodi, A into B transpose whole transpose, then multiply with C. That we'll see later. So now you can start multiplying like first row, first column. Then see A as it is, that you should multiply with B transpose. ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, 4 5s are 20, that is minus 20. Then 3 2s are 6, minus 6. Then first row, second column, minus into minus plus, 4 1s are 4, 3 3s are 9. Second row, first column, 2 5s are 10, minus into minus plus, 2 1s are 2. Again plus into minus minus, 2 1s are 2. Again minus into plus minus, 3 1s are 3. Whole transpose. Why whole transpose? Because you know this A dot B transpose whole transpose. Now what you're going to get? Minus 26, 4 plus 9, 13, 10 plus 2, 12, minus 5, the whole transpose. Then therefore what is A dot B dash whole dash is equal to, now we found out A dot B dash. Now we should take the transpose for this. On taking the transpose, you will get minus 26, 13, 12, minus 5. Now the final step towards is this. So therefore A dot B transpose whole transpose dot C. We found out this one, that is minus 26, 12, 13, minus 5. Now multiply this with C. What is C now? 1 3 minus 1 minus 4. So 1 3 minus 1 minus 4. Correct alva? So 1 3 minus 1 minus 4. Done. Multiply first row, first column. So we'll get it as 26 into 1 minus 26, 12 into 1, so minus 12. First row, second column, 26 into 3. So 26 into 3, you'll get 78. So that is minus 78 minus 12 4s are 48. Then 13 1s are 13. I'm going for second row, first column, minus into minus plus, 5 1s are 5. 13 3s are 39. Minus into minus plus, 5 4s are minus 26 minus 12 is minus 38. Minus 78 minus 48 is 126, minus 126. Then 13 plus 5 is 19. 39 plus 20 dot B transpose whole transpose into C. Multiplication, but they're asking you to multiply after taking the transpose. Done. So this is the next question, the third one. A dash whole square. So A dash whole square anta kelta idare. So maybe, so the third question is A dash the whole square. See, A square idre heng baritidri? A into A. Correct alva? ಅದೇ ತರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ A dash whole square ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ it is nothing but A transpose into A transpose. Either you can write it as dash or transpose. Now what is A transpose? Here we have A transpose minus 4, 2, minus 3, 1. So just a cross check. Minus 4, 2, 3, minus 1. So minus 4, 2, 3 minus 1. Multiply with whom now? Again same thing, minus 4, 2, 3, minus 1. Now multiply first row, you will end up at, yes, 4 4s are 16, first row first column, 2 3s are 6. Then first row second column, 4 2s are 8, minus 8, plus into minus minus, 2 1s are 2. Then 3 4s are 12, minus 12, again 1 3s are 3, minus 3. 3 2s are 6, minus into minus plus, 1 1s are 1. So ultimately A transpose the whole square is equal to ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ 22 minus 10 minus 15 and 7. A transpose the whole square. Nothing. A transpose the whole square is nothing but A transpose into A transpose. So this is your third question. And what about your fourth question? So the fourth question, A into A transpose plus B into B transpose plus C into C transpose. This is what you're supposed to find out. And we'll do one by one. Now we first will go for A into A transpose. ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. What is A matrix? ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇತ್ತಲ್ವಾ. So minus 4 2 3 minus 1 ಅಂದರೆ get minus 4 3 2 minus 1. A ನ ಅದ್ರ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಈಗ minus 4 3 2 minus 1. Then multiply and keep your answer. First row first column, minus 4 into 4 16, 3 3s are 9. Then first row first column aitu, first row second column, minus 8, 3 1s are 3, minus 3. Then 2 4s are 8, then minus 1 into 3, minus 3. Then 2 2s are 4, minus into minus plus, 1 1s are 1. Finally ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಒಂದೇ ಲೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಗಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ನ. 16 plus 9 is 25, minus 8 minus 3 is minus 11, minus 8 minus 3 again minus 11, then 4 plus 1 5. ಏನಿದು A into A transpose. Now we'll go for B into B transpose. So B into B transpose, for that we need to know what is B matrix. So what is B matrix? 5 minus 2 minus 1 3. B matrix is 5 minus 2 minus 3 1. So just a cross check. 5 minus 2 minus 1 3, minus 2 minus 1 3. This is your B matrix. Then what is the transpose of it now? The transpose is 5 minus 2 minus 1 3. Now multiply first row first column. You will get it as 5 5s are 25, minus into minus plus, 2 2s are 4. First row second column, minus 5 minus 6, then minus 5, again minus 6, then minus into minus plus, 1 1s are 1, plus 3 3s are 9. So you will get it as 29 minus 11, again minus 11, plus 10. This is your B into B transpose. Then finally we need to find out C into C transpose. For that you should get to know what is C matrix. C matrix is 1 3 minus 1 minus 4. 1 3 minus 1 minus 4. This you should multiply with its own transpose, that is 1 3 minus 1 minus 4. That is first row multiplied with first column. Now in ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ 1 into 1 1, 3 3s are 9. Then first row second column, minus 1 minus 12 because 3 4s are. Then first row sorry, second row, first column, minus 1, minus 12, then minus into minus 1, again minus into minus plus, then 4 4s are 16. Final agi we'll get it as 1 plus 9 11 minus 13 minus 13 and 1 plus 16 is 17. ನೋಡಿ, one thing you can observe for your competitive exams ಏನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, when a matrix is multiplied with its transpose, when a matrix is multiplied with its own transpose, the secondary diagonal elements are remaining the same. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲೂ 11 ಮೈನಸ್ 11 ಬಂತು, ಸೇಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ secondary diagonal elements are same when you multiply a matrix with its transpose. This you can make a point, make a note. This will help you a lot when you are going for competitive exams. Then next, finally, we need to add all this now. That is A into A transpose plus B into B transpose plus C into C transpose. So what is A into A transpose? We got 25 minus 11 minus 11 5. Then plus B into B transpose is 29 minus 11 minus 11 10. Then plus C into C transpose is 11 minus 13 minus 13 17. So add all this. 25 plus 29 plus 11. So 29 plus 11 is 40. I think 65. Correct? Then minus 11 minus 11 minus 13 minus 22 minus 35 if I am not wrong. Then again minus 11 minus 11 minus 13, again minus 35. Then 5 plus 10 or 27 32. A into A transpose plus B into B transpose plus C into C transpose. So by the way, what is a transpose? A transpose is nothing but changing rows into columns or columns into rows. So next to E question. If A is equal to 1 2 3 minus 2, B is equal to minus 2 4 5 1, prove that A transpose whole transpose is equal to A. Then A plus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. A minus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose minus B transpose. A into B whole transpose is equal to B transpose into. First ಏನು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತೆ ನೀವು? First question, we need to prove that A transpose whole transpose is A. ನೋಡಿ, one thing remember ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, double transpose gives same answer. For example, this question ಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ. For example, if A is equal to, let us take 1 2 3. ಆಯ್ತಾ? What is its A transpose now? You will get a column matrix 1 2 3. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ A ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? This one will again change to what? 1 2 3. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? A transpose whole transpose, A transpose whole transpose is giving you A again. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಡಬಲ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅಗೇನ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಯುವರ್ ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್. ದಿಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. ಡನ್. ನೌ ಈಗ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ 1 2 3 minus 2. ಫಸ್ಟ್ A ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೀಲ್ಲ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ now take the transpose for A transpose whole transpose, you will get it as, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 1 2 is 3 minus 2. So you can observe here, this answer is same as this answer. So therefore you can directly conclude that the transpose, double transpose of any matrix will give you what? Original matrix. First question ಆಯ್ತು. So I'll get into second question bit later. First third one ಮಾಡೋಣ. So third question says that A plus B whole transpose can be written as A transpose plus B transpose. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So anyways we'll see. first we need to find out A plus B whole transpose. Done. So what is A plus B whole transpose? First we'll find out A plus B. A plus B andre what is A? 1 2 3 minus 2 plus B. What is B now? Minus 2 4 5 1. Add them. At least you know to add this A plus B. First A plus B madi. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. 2 plus 4 is 6. 3 plus 5 8. Minus 2 plus 1 minus 1. Now take the transpose. First yavaglu kuda BODMAS rule na apply madidre you should simplify within the bracket first. That's why I went for A plus B first. Now take the transpose for this. Idu transpose tondre ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? minus 1 6 8 minus 1. Done. Then ಇದನ್ನ ನೋಡೋಣ ಈಗ. A transpose plus B transpose equal to what? Now what is A transpose? A ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆಯಲ್ವಾ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ 1 2 3 minus 2 plus B transpose. ಇದು B matrix. Take the transpose of this. minus 2 5 4 1. Now add them. 1 minus 2 minus 1. 3 plus 5 8. 2 plus 4 6. minus 2 plus 1 minus 1. Now observe the answers. ಈ ಆನ್ಸರು ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನು ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಸೇಮೇ ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಸೊ A plus B whole transpose is same as A transpose plus B transpose. Correct ಅಲ್ವಾ? A plus B whole transpose is minus 1 8 6 minus 5. Similarly A transpose plus B transpose is minus 1 8 6 minus 1. So next we need to find out same thing. Next question is this one. A minus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose minus B transpose. What is A? 1 2 3 minus 2. First ನೀವು A minus B ಮಾಡಿ, A minus B ಮಾಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. What is A minus B ಅಂದ್ರೆ what is A ನ 1 2 1 2 3 minus 2, then minus B. What is B matrix? minus 2 4 5 1. minus 2 4 5 1. Now subtract. ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 1 minus of minus ಆಯ್ತಾ? 1 minus of minus ಇದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಯಿತು. 1 plus 2 3. then 2 minus 4 minus 2. 3 minus 5 minus 2. minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. This is your A minus B, but you need to apply the transpose now. A minus B whole transpose. What is A minus B whole transpose now? Apply transpose for this matrix now. ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ? 3 minus 2. I'm changing row into column, then minus 2 minus 3. So we'll keep it aside. Then we'll go for A transpose minus B transpose. Now what is A transpose? ಇದು A ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1 3 2 minus 2 minus B transpose. So ಇದು B, apply transpose to this. minus 2 4 5 1. So subtract. ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 1 minus of minus 2. Observe here, minus of minus 2 minus into minus plus ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So 1 plus 2 3. then 3 minus 5. So 3 minus 5 you will get minus 2. Calculators ಇದ್ರೆ calculators ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿ ಸರಿನಾ? then 2 minus 4 minus 2 minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. Now observe these two answers. ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಬಂದಿದೆಯಾ, ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬಂದಿದೆಯಾ? ಎರಡು ಸೇಮೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ? I'm sorry, yeah, we're not supposed to observe those two. Observe these two answers. ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಬಂದಿದೆಯಾ ಬೇರೆ ಬಂದಿದೆಯಾ? ಸೊ ಎರಡು ಸೇಮೇ ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ. therefore we can write that A transpose minus, okay fine, see like this, A minus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose minus B transpose. So this is a standard formula agaytu. Done. So next question is A into B whole transpose. A into B whole transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose. So the question is A into B whole transpose can be written as what? B transpose into A transpose. Now first AB ಮಾಡಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ. So first do AB, then you apply the transpose. So what is, so ನೋಡಿ ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ಏನು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕೀಗ, AB the whole transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose. So first ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಕೂಡ when you apply a Bodmer's rule, first we should simplify whatever which is present inside the bracket. First AB ಮಾಡಿ ಸರಿನಾ. So what is AB is equal to now? First write your A matrix. What is A matrix? 1, 2, 3, minus 2. Okay. What is B matrix? So B matrix is minus 2, 4, 5, 1. Now we know how to multiply. So multiply first row into first column. So multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 1 into 2 minus 2 plus 2 5s are 10. 1 into 4, 4 plus 2 1s are, okay, plus 2 1s are 2. Then 3 2s are 6 minus 2 5s are 10. 3 4s are 12 minus 2 1s are 2. Then so what is AB now? AB is 8, 6 minus 16, then 10. Alva. So therefore what will be AB? The whole transpose. So take the transpose for whatever the answer you have got. It is changing row into column. 8 6 minus 16. So ಇವಾಗ ಏನು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾವು ಇವಾಗ? Let us call this as what? 1. We need to prove that this is equal to B transpose into A transpose. So ನೀವು B ನ ನೋಡಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ B ನ ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು you can write B transpose is minus 2 4 5 1 multiplied with A transpose 1 2 3 minus 2. So we know the rule, that is first row first column multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಈಗ? minus 2 plus 10 2 5s are, then minus 6 minus 10, ಆಮೇಲೆ 4 1s are 4 plus 2 1s are 2, 4 3s are 12 minus 2. So you will get it as ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಈಗ? 8 minus 16 6 10. So this is our B transpose into A transpose. So let us call this as what now? 2. ಆಯ್ತಾ. So now we can observe here 1 is equal to 2. Alva. 1 is equal to 2. Therefore we can conclude that AB the whole transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose. Sarina? Nodi? Simple. You should know the multiplication, then you should multiply and keep your answer. So with this we'll complete one set of problems. So I'll give you one more set for try yourself. Neeve try ಮಾಡಿ Sarina? And just let me know whether you will get the answer or not. So try yourself. So if A is equal to 3 2 1 4, B is equal to 1 5 minus 6 2, Sarina? Then prove the following. Prove the following. First one, A plus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. Second one, A minus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose minus B transpose. So third one, AB the whole transpose can be written as B transpose into A transpose. The fourth one, can go for, can also A square the whole transpose is equal to A transpose the whole square. Sarina. The last question, A transpose the whole transpose is equal to A. So ಇಷ್ಟು ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ನ ನೀವು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ, so then give me the answer whether you are able to do it or not. So that's all for now. Thank you so much for joining. Have a nice day.